Guys, okay. So, right, let's go. Let's get started, man. You go first. Let's sort of find out about something, though. Right, so we are watching this. This 30 people, 30 people, 30 people just now. So just coming online. So watching this, and we want to see this market. We want this market do this. Maybe get to somewhere around here, and it shows us a move that is going back up, like giving us an entry trigger. So we want to see an entry trigger around this area. So something. No, not just this area. Here too, we can consider here if we see a good. So, but the thing, the truth is that this is just like scalping. We want to really trade. That's what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for this market to try to cut down here, or at least to come to this place now. Now we have another block here, or to get to this place, or to get to this place. But any of these places that I marked out, now to wait is going to, we're going to have enough patience, because here we want to see that the market move from here to here for us to take a trade. If you see the market turning, that's making a turning move. So we take it from there. So for right now, all we have to do is to wait, keep waiting. If I want to put a pending order, this is the place I'm going to put a pending order, but this pending order may not get activated today. All right, and the market might not get there too, because the market is still bullish. Gold is very, very bullish right now. So maybe it want to retrace, to just retrace to the nearest order block. So that's what we're considering here. This has been mitigated, but still consider it, because the situation where we have a sweep of liquidity sweep, then we're looking at this point, and then we can also be extended to this point, and then we can consider taking the market. So now, what you need to pay attention to is the fact that this market in this 15-minute time frame is currently trying to give us what we call a head and shoulder top. Head and shoulder top. So what has happened here now is that we have a shoulder already. Here is the shoulder. Look at the head. This is the head. So we want to expect another shoulder. If we expect and sees another shoulder, and it does something like this, just come maybe around this area, goes up somewhere around this area or less than that, and give us a bearish candle that probably engulfing a bullish candle that's bearish engulfing or shooting star or any other entry trigger, then we're going to take it and then want to see whether what it does around this region like that. So anticipating another shoulder is one thing that will help us to, because we have one shoulder already and a head, we need another shoulder. That having said, there is another issue we're having here, and that issue is going to be, what about if we decide to keep going up here without doing us head and shoulder? Well, we only know that if we keep getting break of structure to the upside, so we'll just wait for a retracement to a particular order block already created, and then if it gives us an entry trigger for a buy, we take it. That's why we're waiting here. We're waiting for this market to come to this place or any of these places in order for us to take a buy. So you get. So that's just it. That's basically what we're waiting for. So we'll come back again and then check the market depending on what the market is doing. Remember that when you get to a place where we are watching, you want to see the sign. If you see buy, this has not been talking. This appear to have not been talking. Nobody dey hear wetin I dey talk since. So I have to stop and go and find out whether anybody dey hear me or na me dey talk to myself only. Based on say this thing don, the volume don go sleep and I didn't notice. So let me want to stop. I want to stop the live streaming so that I go and check it out.